So this is a saddle on a Bridgeport clone. By the looks of it, there's no badges on it. It hasn't got the original vertical head, but I'd safely say probably mid to late 80s model machine. The table's got scraping at the far ends. The middle of the travel's obviously quite worn, but bona fide scraping. Very unlike what you see today. In that some of the, generally Taiwanese machines are quite good, but some of the Chinese machines, it's common to have a sort of like fake scraping for looks, especially on the exposed slides. But this is genuinely been scraped, and build quality seems quite good. When these are scraped from brand new, this center section here, this sort of middle 30%, is always scraped lower. It can be in the realm of only 1 thou lower. I've seen upwards of 5 thou lower. And the whole reasoning behind that is that when the table sits on this, it sits solidly. Because, especially on a long table, all the force is at the ends, and this tends to want to wear convex. And once it wears convex, and especially convexity to this dovetail here, no matter how much you tighten those gibs up or lock those gibs, this table still wants to rock. Oh, put my hands a bit closer. Rock side to side. So while this scraping is a good sign, it doesn't necessarily mean that, it's still got a bit of scraping, it's pretty much unworn. There's going to be a fair bit of wear here. It's actually a light bit of galling there, and I can feel a ledge of maybe 3 thou, so 2 or 3 thou. But yeah, there's going to be a fair bit of wear in this, but nothing terrible. I was actually pretty pleasantly surprised pulling this off, considering how badly the y-axis is worn. The Y on this machine has got some pretty visible galling, just a fair bit of slop. And these, unlike some of the later model Taiwanese machines, have got a soft long slide on the knee, and obviously the saddle's soft. Where on this machine, all slides on everything on this are soft, which is great for me for scraping. The American fittings, or at least the what are they? The Bajor. The FPJ, they're 3/8, and I'm so used to grabbing 3/8 spanner. But yeah, these Asian machines have got an 8mm fitting, and I think the thread there would be M8/1. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna strip this down. This is a sort of yoke assembly that accepts like a cartridge nut there, and it has the y-axis nut on the underside. So once I remove the y-axis screw, I can pull this nut out, and we can slide this saddle off, and we can have a look and see how bad the y-axis actually is.